So yeah, that was the video, and today I was just scrolling for some few minutes and I just found that reel and I decided to try that because having only aesthetic physique means nothing when you don't even know how to fight. So for that reason I'm learning how to fight, and yeah, so I'll be trying that and let's see. I don't know, I already tried before starting the video and I literally failed, and yeah, I'll be trying that right now again. I know I'll fail again, but I'll try it until I successfully do that with perfection. And yeah, so let's begin that. I'll be using my mom's phone to watch that video again and again, and I'll be trying that to do it perfectly. So yeah, let's begin that. Let me change the camera angle so that you could clearly see what I'm doing. And yeah, so yeah, now I'll start the training, and as today it's Sunday, it's rest day, and so today I just thought to train myself for some battles. And yeah, so let's do some shadow boxing. And this one, the clip that you have seen first, I'm not promoting anyone or I'm not telling you to follow them, but I just got that into my feed and I'm just following that, and I even liked that combination. And yeah, so I'll be trying that right now. So let's see how good I can do that. So yeah, let's begin that. So this is my mom's phone. I'll be using this to see that video and then I'll be performing that. So yeah, I'll be seeing from my mom's phone and I'll be trying to do that. So let's begin that. So first I'm unable to understand, I'm little getting confused. So first upper, then jab, then hook, then upper, cross, hook. Okay, so yeah, I got it. So first upper, jab, hook, upper, cross, hook, upper, jab, hook, upper, jab, hook, upper, cross, hook, upper, jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. So this is the combination that I will be trying right now. So let's see how good I can do. So yeah, upper jab, oh wait, upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. So yeah, upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. So now I'll be training without looking that video. So let's begin that. So upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. So almost not perfect, but close to that. I need to be even increasing the speed. So I'll be going on training and I'll be getting perfect. So let's start doing it continuously. Upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. So yeah, upper jab, so wait, upper jab, wait, upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook, upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook, cross, upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook, hook, upper. Okay, wait. Upper. Oh, I need to watch this video again. So wait. Upper jab, hook. Okay, so now I got. So upper jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. So yeah. Jab, hook, upper, cross, hook. Wait. To be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So wait, rather than this combination, I know another combination. I'll be doing that right now. So I hope you would like that. I don't know exactly, but I had tried it before itself, so I'll be doing that. So but to be honest, your mind doesn't works when you are into a fight. So you need to be training your mind in order to win a fight. Yeah, so yeah, and wait, let me. So I'll be keeping on training, and once I feel like I'm perfect, then I'll be coming and talking to you. So yeah. Wait. Okay, so I'm using this resistance band to increase the speed, and yeah, so let's do it. Oh, almost had done it. We'll take a final. We'll do it finally, and yeah. So I have only half resistance band, so I am training by putting this from backside and doing this. So yeah. So up, up. Okay. So oh, I need to be doing it fast, and yeah, so wow, finally I did it. Now I'll be doing that without using this resistance band, so stay tuned. Oh, I lost the momentum, so I'll be continuously doing that for 3 to 4 times, and then I'll be getting into that momentum. So yeah. I'm literally getting this wet, so Let me. Oh my god. I'm literally getting the shoulder pains right now. So yeah. Okay, now I got to know the mistake that I was doing. So when I'm doing like upper, jab, hook, upper, so I'm pulling my hands back. That's the mistake when I'm doing. So when I'm punching, I need to be keeping my hands from here and I need to punching. But the mistake that I was doing is I was pulling my hand back and again I was punching. So that's the mistake I was doing and I got to know about it right now. So yeah, I'll be correcting that and I'll be starting it from again. So yeah. So oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. 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 I'm literally getting my shoulder pains and yeah. So this much training is enough for today because as it's rest day I need to be giving some rest to my muscles in order to see the growth. So yeah, so I want you guys to even train yourself at home because having only a good physique means nothing when you don't know how to fight. So learn to fight and yeah, so that's it. I hope you like this video. Stay strong, stay consistent. Thanks for watching.